Hi, everyone. Welcome to Unit 4 of Learning Across the Lifespan. Congratulations on completing Unit 3. Everyone did a wonderful job. If you have not yet posted or submitted your PowerPoint presentation on your academic and professional goals, please be sure to do that right away. So when you come to your course, please make sure you are reviewing the announcements from me. I like to post announcements, of course, about the course, the content of the course, also just fun videos and important information from the university. So you want to be sure to check out the announcements. Now let's take a look at what we have going on in Unit 4. In Unit 4, we are going to be discussing critical thinking. I think you'll find that very interesting. And if you learn a lot more about critical thinking, it will really help you as you move forward in your academic career to understand what it means to think critically, to think differently, to think like a student, to want to dig deeper into understanding and to use our analytical skills to learn more about a certain topic. So this week we have a class discussion on critical thinking, and it is due, your first post is due on Wednesday of this week, and your peer responses are due on Sunday. And we also have an assignment. It's going to be on conducting a library search. So in order to be successful this week, you're going to want to complete the mandatory readings and videos or on APA formatting, and that will help you with this week's assignment. And then you want to complete the mandatory reading and video for the discussion on critical thinking as well. You may also want to review the supplemental resources on Bloom's taxonomy. This is just kind of a funny look at that. So you do have an assignment this week. You're going to be completing your library research assignment. So for this assignment, you'll go to the library online, and you'll track down 2 articles and provide a fully prepared APA paper that will include a title page, running head, paraphrases with in-text citations, and a reference page. In order to complete this exercise, you'll need to review the articles and videos on formatting reference list entries on the reference page. And you might need to go back to earlier units to get a refresher on APA formatting for your papers. So follow these directions to find the article, and then once you've found the articles, you want to write a 1 to 2 sentence paraphrase about each article, and then create an in-text citation for each of the paraphrases, and then create a full reference entry for each of the articles on a reference page. To complete this assignment, you're going to create an APA title page for your paper. Be sure to include a running head. Provide your paragraphs for each article as a separate paragraph with in-text citations. Create an APA formatted reference page and include a reference list entry for each of the articles. And then we also have a class discussion this week on critical thinking. So you're going to review the articles and videos about critical thinking and Bloom's taxonomy and answer the questions below in a post. And you would answer, how would you compare the ideas of Bloom's taxonomy and critical thinking? And how does curiosity fit in with critical thinking? You also want to be sure to respond to at least 2 of your classmates. Be sure you're posting your first post by Wednesday and posting on several different days, at least 3 different days to receive full credit. And then this is just a heads up that next week you're going to be again writing the rough draft of your APA argumentative research paper. We've already been doing some initial work on that you're going to be writing the rough draft next week. And so by this point, you should have already chosen a topic. You should have done that actually already last week. And then you should also have your paraphrase sources that you're going to use in your paper. And so after the conclusion of this week's assignment, you'll have covered all of the basics of APA formatting, including how to create a title page with a running head, the body formatting for your paper, using in-text citations, creating a reference page, and creating full citations. For next week, your paper is going to be 3 to 5 pages long, not including the title page and reference page, and it must follow APA formatting. So hopefully you will have a wonderful week this week. If you have any question about any of the assignments, any questions about discussion, any questions about critical thinking and what that means, please reach out and just let me know. I hope you have a wonderful week. I look forward to hearing from you.